So here's how you can do a poll in a WhatsApp group on Android. So let's get started. If this is your first time being here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you have your WhatsApp ready, you can get inside as usual, and it doesn't matter if you go into the regular chat or a group chat, but you can tap on the group like that. And as you can see right next to the text message field where you are typing in the message, you have a couple of things which you can include. So obviously we have the camera, the microphone, and so on. But upon clicking on the paperclip icon, you can see more things get revealed. So you can import again the photos from gallery or location. But one of the options is most definitely a poll. Right, so when you click on this like that, you can see that we can create the first thing that we type in is the question, and then we give a couple of options. So it's going to be at least two, but you can add more, and you can see that you can even allow multiple answers. So that's how you can basically go through it. You post it into the group, and then you basically just await the results. So it's pretty much just that simple. Of course, you need to have a permission to do that because it depends on how the group is structured. Like if you have only been invited and you are not the admin and you don't have any permissions to post that kind of stuff, then you perhaps will not even see the poll option. But it is possible that you will see it, and that way you can basically just add it like this. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to quickly show you how it works. If there are more questions on your mind about this, then let me know about them below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.